What is good? It's NateOhEight with Producer Hub. We give out free sample packs, beat tutorials, rap tutorials, mixing tutorials, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I made this.
Alright guys, what's going on? We're in Ableton Live. What I'm gonna teach you works in pretty much every DAW there is. So let's get to it. I'm gonna be showing y'all how I made this kick. Really punchy, it's knocking, it's heavy. I've had a lot of people ask me, yo, how do your drums hit so hard? And it's not too difficult at all. The sample that I used before all the processing is literally this right here. I'm serious, it's that basic. That's actually massive. I'm sure you know what massive is. It's basically serum. That's what was around before serum was around. You could use serum, you could use whatever, but yeah, that's what I use. Just a basic lo-fi type of kick. All right, let's get into the processing. I got an EQ. I'm boosting at about 40, 50 hertz with the wideband, boosting some of those lows. I got a compressor going on, really high ratio, all the way up attack, -15 threshold, and my dry and wet's kind of lower. I don't want it to hit that hard. I want it to hit hard knock. I don't want it to blow somebody's headphones off. All right, I got a saturator. Saturator is basically just distortion, just light distortion. Go ahead and turn soft clip on. That way it's kind of clipping it. I turn my output down. I have my dry and wet. I don't, like I said, just like the compressor, I don't want it to affect it completely. This is where the sauce is. This is where the meat's at. This is where it's juicy. This is what you want. I got something called K-clip, and it's a limiter basically. You don't need K-clip to achieve this sound. This is what I use. You could probably find it. It's probably free. I don't know. This is what it sounds like before that K-clip. Really basic still. With K-clip, I'm just pushing it, distorting it. Here's some more sauce for y'all that not a lot of people know about. Transient shaper. I'm using Waves Trans X. You could use any transient shaper there is. I like this one because you could choose the different bands. It's like a multi-band compressor, basically. You could probably achieve this with a multi-band compressor as well, but this is what I use. I boosted just like on the EQ over here. I boosted like 40 hertz, 40, 50 hertz on here. And then I also boosted about 200 hertz. That's where that knock is coming from, so check it out. You could copy all my settings, all my presets or whatever, but it's gonna be different for every sample you use. I would just say play with it. Also on my master channel, I've got some of the same things I've shown you. I've got a FabFilter limiter that has a very slow attack, a very fast release. It's just limiting it. I'm not boosting any of the gain. And then I got another Trans X on here. Some more punchiness, some more grittiness. Just play with the settings, and that's pretty much it.
If you've enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that like button. Leave a comment on what type of tutorial I should do next. And that's it.